Morning students, today I will explain you long run equilibrium of a firm in perfect competition. First, it is very necessary to know what is long run. Long run is the period where there is sufficient time to increase all the factors of production like machinery, equipments, land. So, there is no distinction between fixed factors and variable factors. All the factors can be increased in long run because there is sufficient time. Second, beside this, new firms attracted by the abnormal profits in the industry enter, while a few who are earning loss can leave. So, here with the help of the figures, I will try to explain you the long run equilibrium of a firm. In long run, the equilibrium of a firm is determined by LAC and LMC. Here in this figure, when we see the PO at OP price, the demand curve is AR is equal to MR. The equilibrium point is at E, where LMC is equal to MR, and the price is also equal to LAC. So, in long run, the firm operates at optimum size, which is beneficial to both the producers and consumers. From point of view of producer, they use the optimum use of the resources because they are operating at a minimum point of LAC. Beside this, the consumers are also beneficial because they obtain the goods at minimum price. This figure can be explained that equilibrium is at point E, where LMC is equal to MR and the output determined is OQ and the price is OP. The cost is also OP, which is determined by LAC. Thus, the firm earns normal profit. In the second figure, I will try to explain you the long run equilibrium adjustment of competitive firms. Here in this figure, when the price is OP1, in short run, the firm operates at E, where the SMC1 is equal to MR. The price determined is OP1 and the output is OQ1. At this, the cost is BQ1 or OA. As the price is more than the cost, therefore the firms earn abnormal profit, which is equal to P1 A E B. Now, what will happen? Suppose this price OP1 operates or exists in long run, then the firm will expand its scale and will now operate at D point, where LMC is equal to MR. At this point, the output in the long run increases to OQ3 and the cost is HQ3. So, beside the increase in the output, the profit also increases to KP1DH. Now, when the profit increases, these increased profit attracts the new firm, and when the new firms enter the industry, the supply increases, and when the supply increases, the price falls from OP to OP2, and then the firms operate in long run at L point, where LMC is equal to MR2, and this at this minimum, and this is also the minimum point of LAC, and the output at this level is OQ2. So we see that in this case, in long run, the firms in perfect competition earn only normal profit and operates at the minimum point of LAC, which can also be depicted by this figure, where the condition is that the demand curve is AR is equal to MR, and the equilibrium is this point E, where LMC is equal to SMC is equal to LAC is equal to SAC. The only difference here is that where the short run average cost curve is deep U, the LAC is flatter because it is also called an envelope curve, and it encloses all the optimum point of SAC, short run average cost curve. Thank you.